Learn what makes each product unique. MillExpress, designed for plasma, lasers, routers, knee mills, and machining centers. Although solid models are not required, you'll love our point-and-click approach to establishing machining boundaries. SmartClick becomes active the moment your cursor leaves the operation window. Select one face, and all faces related to that operation are joined together. Now that's intelligent design. EasyCam catches any errors with tool holder display to identify crashes. Define a tool length, select the holder, and add it to simulation. Mistakes that never reach the machine. High-speed machining is a must-have for any shop, and EasyCam delivers. The benefits are reduced heat, faster cycle times, and no chatter. Tools last longer, and the finishes are amazing. Just like tool holders, you'll want to simulate those vices and fixtures. EasyCam captures those obstacles so you can avoid collisions and produce error-free G-code every time. Do you have multiple copies to run? No problem, we break it down to a wizard. Parts can be evenly spaced or randomly located by using fixture offsets in the machine. You'll remain productive and have complete control over part placement. MillExpress offers 3D machining, but it's going to take a little effort. You might have to define those cutting boundaries, but the takeaway is you have 3D machining capability. If you don't mind playing around with the tool path and the extra machine time, this might be enough. You may not be a Picasso, but not all artists are. EasyMill adds an axis, 4th axis indexing, and full wrapping. If your part requires machining on multiple sides, EasyMill is the tool for the job. Unlike Express, it lets you consolidate all operations into one document and generate every G-code program in one place. The 3D EasyMill Wizard delivers high-performance toolpaths for a wide range of jobs, with 5 advanced strategies that approach your part from every angle and finish allowances added for control. You'll get precision results with just a few clicks. Simply select your machine surfaces and let the wizard do the rest. It may even be powerful enough for your mold projects. Design your own tools in EasyMill for standout results and stunning graphical simulation. Whether it's a custom form tool or a specialty cutter not found in standard libraries, EasyCam lets you build it, simulate it, and run it. Use the onboard CAD or import your own design. Any tool can be supported. EasyCam supports 4th axis indexing in either the X or Y direction. EasyMill is fully compatible with rotary tables and tombstones, and programming indexing angles is fully automated from solid models. If you're working with a true full 4th axis, EasyCam has you covered. In this example, EasyMill automatically extracts machining boundaries when the outer face is selected. Just enable wrapping in the operation and you're ready to go. The Layer Manager for organizing multiple parts and assemblies in a single document. If you are transferring several models from a Libre or SolidWorks, EasyCam will place each solid on its own layer, making them easier to identify and edit. EasyMill Pro, superior 3D machining and 3+2 indexing. Here is a radial roughing approach with wall cleanup for generating a semi-finish operation. Unlike the entry-level milling packages, the tool does not roll over the 3D surfaces, adding stress to the cutting tool as it starts feeding in Z. This tool path is more efficient. The tool plunges outside the heavy stock, preventing damage to the cutter. Did you just receive a file from engineering? We'll calculate the largest cutter to complete the job. Why hunt down the designer for basic information? Now you can re-rough, refinish, and finish without all the guesswork. Looking for that mirror finish? Equidistant is the way to go. Last stop shopping. This tool path provides you with a uniform step over no matter the surface slope. Most likely there is no need for additional finish operations, unless there is a need to go in with smaller cutters and applying a refinish or pencil mill. Want to hog out material faster? There are many benefits to plunge milling. For starters, rigid axial machining. tackling deep cavities, less chatter, efficient chip evacuation, and lower horsepower requirements. The larger the cutter, the more efficient the roughing. No need to establish manual boundaries. Pick up where your last tool left off without the guesswork, and you can reduce cutter sizes as needed with multiple re-roughing operations. Refinish behaves like re-roughing. Get just the right amount of overlap for smoother finishes. You minimize scallop heights with the larger tools, allowing you to increase the size of your stepovers, reduce time on larger parts. Pencil milling will clean up those fillets and intersecting surfaces with as many passes as needed. There is a list of benefits you will love, like improved surface finish in tight areas, precision for parts with intricate features, reduction of tool breakage, efficient material removal, and offers better fit and function with mating parts. EasyCam includes the right amount of CAD to keep you from tedious design changes. We offer strategies such as capping of complex surfaces, extending surface boundaries, creating ruled surfaces, revolved, coons, lofted, and more. Now how about that 5-axis indexer, 3+2, to eliminate those multiple setups? You'll receive benefits such as multi-sided machining in one operation, improved accuracy, access to complex geometries, shorter tool for less deflection, simplified fixturing, and increased productivity. EasyTurn Express supports 2-axis lathes, 2 turrets, subspindles, and gang tooling. Work smarter, not harder, with our feature recognition for those 2D operations. EasyCam detects features based on the tool you select and the geometry on the part to match the tool's orientation and insert geometry. But don't worry, there is full control as if feature recognition never existed. We don't want to leave you frustrated. You have the luxury of creating one program for both sides of your part. EasyCam supports subspindles for those machines that have one, or for those of you who manually flip the part in the chuck. Create one G-code program or 2, whatever suits your needs. And just like feature recognition on the main spindle, we support this on the back side. Turnmill supports live tooling, rotary, and Y-axis in one easy interface. Do you have a machine capable of turning, milling, and drilling? We have the product for you. EasyTurn, our advanced turning software, allows you to turn, mill, or drill parts mounted in a main or sub spindle. Not only do we support rotary, but also Y-axis machining, which is activated when you check a box. You are able to machine on the face and side of the part in both the main and sub spindles.